thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the Cookie Monster. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Now the colors we'll need today include a caramel, a brown, and a blue. Well, I think we'll have a lot of fun and we'll do really great. Let's go see what we can come up with. Okay, so for the first step in making our Cookie Monster, we're going to begin by making 2 circles for the eyes. Now below the eyes, we're going to begin to make the Cookie Monster's furry face. Now directly below the eyes, we're going to begin to make the mouth. Awesome, fantastic start. Now to the left of the Cookie Monster, we're going to begin to make his cookie. Let's go ahead and add some chocolate chips inside of that cookie, and then right below that cookie, we're going to begin to make the body. The way that we pose our Cookie Monster, it's going to make him appear as if he has 1 foot on the ground and 1 foot in the air. Now one of the last steps will be to make the right foot of the Cookie Monster. Now we can't forget our Cookie Monster has 4 toes. Now last but not least, let's make a couple circles in the eyes for the pupils. This is how to draw the Cookie Monster. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color in your Cookie Monster with us.